Welcome to the new session of this course. In this session, we will learn the movement of the activity and also we will learn how to pass data from one activity to another activity using Kotlin in Android Studio. So, without any delay, let's begin. So, friends, as we have already seen that we have already run our hello world application and also we have understand the project structure, how is it works. If you not still watch that video, then please go into description section where you will find the URL and you will watch the video screen. So from one screen to another screen, how to move. For that we use intent. So let's begin. First of all, I have already main activity. We need to create a new activity. Go to activity section. Here, empty activity, and just type next activity. Okay, click finish. Now, yes, now our activity is up and working. So, what we will do, we will here from here we will move from main activity to next activity. So for that we need to an action button. So first let's create action button in our main activity. Here here yeah, either you go through XML code or you want to drag and drop features, then you will use this. So let's drag and drop our button here and just hold, drop it, and just there is some issue now. All right, our button is ready. Now put this name is next. Okay, so in UI section if we will see, then we will find this next button. Okay, we will declare a function for on click. On next click, we will also need to define view for that tells we interact with a view. Okay, and this action we will need to define here in our main activity in action on click and just put on. Okay, here we create object of intent. Pass this that show the current activity, and just give the next activity information where you want to move. Okay, that's all right. And after that we need to start activity intent. Okay, so that's all right. Now we just run the application and check is it working or not. All right, as you can see here our app is up and running and we can see our next button. So just we need to click next button. Okay, we click next and we will move to next activity. For back button we will back to our previous screen, that is main activity. So it's absolutely working fine. Now how we will know we will move to next activity? For that we just need to a text view. Here we define a text view and just pass. All right, as you can see here we have defined text view, and you will also see here, just put here and you will find here is the text view. We will not put any value for now in text view. Now what we can do, we just pass a data from here and just get data from in next activity and show data in that text view. That we just need to intent put extra, and here we need to define a key name, or we can define from main activity. Okay. From equals to intent dot get string extra, and just put the key, and make sure the key name is the same as you give here. So we just copy and paste here. In copy paste case there is no chance of bug. So here we get the value. Now we just put this value in text view tb max. In Kotlin we don't need to define find view id or cast any text view and define. We directly access from XML, and here you can see our XML is attached. Yes. Okay. So just put this value in this. Okay. So here welcome from. Okay, as you can see our app is up and running, and we you can see the main activity in your in this uh, emulator screen. And when you will click next, then we will move to next activity, and also we will get a message from here that main activity. Okay, so just run the application. Next. Yes, here welcome main activity. So our app is absolutely working very fine. And next friends, that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. So thank you so much for the watching.